everybody, my name is Divyanshi Mishra. I am studying in Standard 2 in Ralla International School, Visakhapatnam. Today I am going to tell you about types of animals according to their food habit. Number 1. Scavenger. Scavenger are the animals who eat only meat, such as lion and tigers. Number 2. Herbivore. Herbivore are the animals who eat only plants, such as cow and goat. Number 3. Omnivore. Omnivore are the animals who eat both plants and meat, such as bears and crows. Number 4. Scavenger. Scavenger are the animals who eat on other dead animals, such as vulture and crow.